banks, like they have threatened to cut back on lending, mainly towards consumers, the individuals who are mainly regarded as high-risk consumers of loans. Those are mainly the ordinary Kenyans and the small and medium enterprises. That class of borrowers is regarded as high risk. So many guys who are actually employed should expect a hard time getting loans. That is if banks will stick to what they have said, the move on cutting lending to this class of people. Also, the bill was basically signed in order to try and ensure that it's easy for borrowers to get loans at low interest rates. So we should also expect, if banks honor the law, if banks follow the law, we should expect interest rates to drop to around 14.5%, because that is where the bill has placed the maximum rates that banks can actually lend to consumers. According to various economists, it's not the right way to follow, because it's deemed a populist move, just like the Brexit, which happened at the United Kingdom. Basically, the economists are saying that banks should not operate in a heavily regulated market. Actually, that was confirmed by central bank, which actually advised President not to assent to the bill. So we can't really say that it's the best way to move to follow. But on the other hand, Kenyans have been under heavy pressure from banks due to the high interest rates that they have been paying their loans that they borrowed, and also they have also been having a very difficult time servicing the same loans at such margins. So, like I said, it should be expected that with the law, that rates will actually enable consumers to borrow more affordably and also to service their loans without much pressure. Definitely not, because banks are making the huge profits because of the high margins. Without the high margins, banks will not be able to get or to reap the big benefits of lending loans to consumers. So we should expect most of them, we can't say that they will sink into losses, but we should expect most of them to maybe in the next financial year to report lower profits than they have done currently.